work a lot on the electrical part. We have these lamps. They were cleaned by the owner and they look new right now. They look amazing. We have the fans in the porch installed. We have these lamps. We have the exterior lamps here. We have all the recess lights and this amazing fan. On the fireplace, we have the trims on the side. They were taken from a church down the road that are a few years older than the house itself. It's like from the 1900. We also have the fan in the guest bedroom with a medallion. We have the chandelier in the living room, also with the recess lights. We started working on installing the recess lights here in the bar and kitchen area. This week in the kitchen we lower these arcs, these 3 arcs a little bit further down to meet the union of the 2 cabinets. We also extended the shelf length there and covered that hole. So now next week we can have the painters of the cabinet coming back to finish caulking, priming and start painting. On the laundry area we installed the bifold doors and built the frame for the upper doors. We moved a little bit the duct for the master bathroom exhaust because that was right on the way of a beam in the attic. We also installed the fan and the medallion in the master bedroom. And also the fan in the studio. So here in the master bathroom, we're gonna have to repair the tile work because we shifted that exhaust duct a little bit towards the left. And this is it for this week. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next week.